Google has clearly outlined their smartphone lineup for 2023. They offer a phone, another high-quality non-pro option that falls just below flagship status, and a budget-friendly phone in their series range. While they have previously released Pro and non-phones, with the Pixel 8 Pro and Pixel 8 this year, they are fully embracing this strategy. We have already discussed the differences between the Pixel 8 series phones extensively. Shared our recommendations on which one to buy. Now, after testing them for over a week, let's dive deeper into whether we believe the Pixel 8 Pro is the choice from Google this year. Yes, we still think it is. There are some important aspects to consider here as well. I consider myself one of the critics of displays, so when I found out that Google had opted for a fully flat design on the Pixel 8 Pro, I couldn't help but celebrate with a few beers. The flat display is truly stunning in both appearance and functionality. It's incredibly fast, performs flawlessly. With its brightness of 2400 nits, it shines brightly outdoors. The colors are vibrant, the viewing angles are great. It responds effortlessly to touch input. I have no complaints about it. I would even argue that this display rivals those found on Samsung's top-tier phones. And let's not forget it's flat. Unlike displays, there are no issues with using system navigation gestures or dealing with glares from curved edges. You can easily fit cases or screen protectors without any hassle. I genuinely hope that Samsung and OnePlus take note from the Pixel 8 Pro and realize that a fantastic flagship phone can be created without resorting to displays. Sometimes I find myself unsure about my opinion on Google's Pixel design language. However, there is no denying that the Pixel 8 Pro stands out as the attractive among models with its camera bar. Google has managed to flatten the display, give the back a matte appearance, and consolidate all the cameras under a lens cover. Additionally, they have introduced 3 color options, added a subtle touch of color to each version's polished frame. It truly embodies Google's style. Demonstrates a level of maturity that we don't often associate with Google hardware. The back of the phone features a curve that contributes to its grip, especially considering its large size. The buttons provide a satisfying click when pressed, and despite having the camera module at the top, there is balance when holding it. Surprisingly, it doesn't feel overly heavy either. If I were to express any concerns, it would be regarding maintenance required for keeping the frame clean. Additionally, I have noticed that the matte glass on the back can be slightly slippery. However, this varies from phone to phone based on my experience. Google has stuck with this design approach for the Pixel series over 3 years now, and personally I hope they continue this trend. It has become a recognizable design from Google, especially due to its camera placement in the corner. You can easily identify a Google Pixel phone. That's definitely an aspect. The Pixel 8 Pro boasts enhanced cameras and innovative editing features according to Google. It's a top-tier camera that now offers pro controls, an improved camera app, and various new editing tools that can transform photos into something extraordinary. When you launch the camera, it loads quickly. Focuses swiftly, ensuring you're ready for that shot. Whether you're capturing food and beer or any other subject matter, like I usually do, this camera excels in producing effects and remarkable depth, allowing your subjects to shine. Thanks to its 3 lenses and multiple focal length options, it performs well in landscape photography. Moreover, it delivers results in low light conditions. Whether it's people, pets, or anything else you can imagine snapping pictures of, it does a job. I've already discussed these topics extensively in my previous videos, so feel free to check them out for a comprehensive understanding of the camera samples. The Pixel 8 Pro offers editing features powered by AI that you may or may not find useful in your life. Personally, I haven't found scenarios where I would utilize them. Google believes they can be quite handy. One of these features is the Magic Eraser, which allows you to easily remove objects from your images. Additionally, we have the Magic Editor, which lets you modify and recreate an image according to your preferences. There are also video tools like Night Sight Video and Video Boost that leverage cloud servers to enhance and optimize your videos before returning them for your use. However, since I'm not well versed in videography and rarely capture videos myself, I'll leave those aspects for reviewers to explore further. As for the Magic Eraser and Magic Editor functionalities, again, I'm uncertain if they align with my needs. Nevertheless, I'd like to provide a couple of examples to demonstrate their capabilities. These examples might not be the ideal. I made an effort to challenge the AI and see how well it could perform in difficult situations. The genuine photo is on the left, while the fabricated version can be found on the right. It's quite impressive, isn't it? What's there not to appreciate about Pixel software? The Pixel 8 Pro takes the aspects of Google's Pixel experience, adds a plethora of AI features along with a remarkable 7 years of software support. Personally, I've always favored Pixel software over Android interfaces. Google has managed to make it even more appealing. Before we delve into the features that I love, let's first explore the support that Google offers. They have announced a 7-year package of Android OS version, updates, security patches, and regular Pixel feature drops for both the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. In terms of the software experience, we're greeted with Android 14 right out of the box with the Pixel feature drop scheduled for December. The user interface is colorful. It functions just as Android should. Additionally, Google has loaded up the Pixel with features that aren't overly intrusive. Clear calling enhances call quality. There are further improvements to the always-on display and lock screen. Style customization options are available throughout the system UI and apps. Nearby sharing has been improved, and so much more. Moreover, there are plenty of built-in AI or assistant-powered functionalities. For example, call screening allows you to have your assistant interact with callers on your behalf, or web page summaries that have been impressively accurate thus far. The software experience on the Pixel 8 Pro is simply outstanding in the Android realm. It keeps getting even better with each version and release of feature drop. The battery of the Pixel 8 Pro is capable of lasting an entire day without any concerns. I found that the combination of the Super Actuate display and Google's latest Tensor G3 chip to be quite efficient with this phone. Throughout my usage, which typically involved browsing Chrome, Instagram, Google News, YouTube, and using Threads, I didn't encounter a situation where I needed to recharge before going to bed, except for one day when I anticipated usage and decided to give it some juice. On weekends, I often engage in activities like playing Pokemon Go and using the camera extensively while exploring locations. Regardless of what tasks or applications I threw at it, the Pixel 8 Pro still had around 30% battery remaining at the end of the day. This is truly impressive. You can argue that it's not a decision to buy a phone based on promises, as there's always a chance that the company won't follow through. However, on the hand, you have the option of purchasing a phone, like the Pixel 8 Pro, which offers 7 years of support. This means that the future looks promising, and I'm personally inclined to advocate for this idea, even though I'm usually more pessimistic. The reason behind my optimism is that Google has already been discussing developments extensively for the few months. We can expect to see advancements in AI technology. There has been an emphasis on utilizing cloud servers to enhance media features, such as night sight video and video boost. We might witness further expansion in this area. Additionally, USB lossless audio is also on its way. The usage of on-device AI technology on phones has never been greater, opening up possibilities for improvements. Enough it might even be possible to measure your body temperature using your phone. Considering all these prospects, alongside the guaranteed 7 years of updates, it's evident that there are developments ahead. Now the big question is whether you should consider purchasing the Pixel 8 Pro. With a starting price of $999, for the base model with 128GB storage, you might end up opting for the 256GB option, which would bring the starting price to $1,059. That's quite a sum for a smartphone. However, it's worth noting that at this price point, the Pixel 8 Pro offers value compared to its competitors like the iPhone 15 Pro Max and Galaxy S23 Ultra. In my opinion, I'd choose this phone over both of those models, even if they were priced similarly. Google has really outdone themselves with this device. The Pixel 8 Pro boasts a camera that comes with some features up its sleeve. Additionally, it offers a notch Android software experience and improved hardware design with a matte glass finish. It finally delivers on our standing demand for a flat display. What sets Google apart is their level of software support in the industry, all at a price when compared to other brands. Given these factors, buying the Pixel 8 Pro seems like a no-brainer in today's smartphone market. I hope you found this information helpful. If you're still enjoying our video content, we would greatly appreciate your support by subscribing to our channel for more updates. See you in the next one. Peace out.